Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is conjunctions. Before I can proceed further, let me remind you that if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. We use conjunctions to join words, group of words and sentences. There are some common conjunctions like and, or, but, because, etc. We use and to join similar words, group of words or sentences. Example, this room is big and airy. So here and is a conjunction because it is joining two words, big and airy. We use or when we have a choice between things. Example, we can play at home or in the park. Here or is the conjunction. We use but to show a contrast. Example, the farmer was poor but happy. So happy is a conjunction. We use because to give a reason. Example, people like her because she is honest. Here, because is a conjunction. This is all for you today. Thank you.